Well, let's go ahead and talk a little weather here. How about it? Good evening, everyone. How are you? It's 30 degrees here on TV Hill. We actually got up to the mid-30s today, coming out of a cold overnight low of 14. The next overnight's going to be much milder, and we'll talk about that in a second. But what everyone is discussing is that cold front now moving our way. It's going to set the table, along with that high next to the word rain, for bitterly cold air. The coldest air of the season will be here beyond the storm that will be exiting the mid-Atlantic as we move through Saturday afternoon. You can already see it cause and effect of this warm, humid southerly flow hitting some of that cold air out there around Pittsburgh. So here's how it squares away. We'll start as a wintry mix as we move through the late midday lunch hours tomorrow. Snow showers through the afternoon and evening. Overnight snow, and some of that is actually going to be heavy, primarily on the eastern shore. Some icy spots around the state western or eastern shore. Then gusty winds and possible coastal flooding come in as, again, this nor'easter moves up the eastern seaboard and intensifies once it gets up over Long Island Sound and New England. Here's our timeline. Friday afternoon, again, a wintry mix. So you see a wintry mix. Don't go, oh, well, maybe the forecast's falling apart. Nope. It's going to all go snow. Then overnight Saturday morning, the bulk of the snow falls, and the bulk of that primarily east of the bay. And as the evening snow tapers and exits, we could easily be seeing wind gusts of 45 miles an hour. Wind chills near zero Saturday night. And look, Sunday afternoon, it's going to feel like 12 to 15. Sunday night, 0 to 5. Let's go ahead and talk snowfall totals. It's an absolute reverse from what we normally have. Normally be traced to 1 inch at Ocean City. The Delmarva 6 to 8+ inches. 4 to 6 as you move along the central eastern shore, right along the bay, 3 to 4 along I-95, 2 to 3, out the 70 corridor, 1 to 2. Then you get up toward Camp David, a trace to 1 inch of snow. The winter storm watch will become a warning. It's a fait accompli as we move through the next many hours. These will expire at the latest 7 p.m. on Saturday. Overnight, look how mild it stays. Your average is 25. With this southerly flow, we'll stay in the mid to upper 20s plus. Clouds move again ahead of that front, ahead of the storm, will give us a bit of a blanket effect. So let's go ahead and give you a timeline. We already know the cold air is just out to our north and west. Now we watch, okay, that cold front give us a burst of snow about 11 o'clock in the morning. Little wider burst of snow Friday, 3 p.m. Then as we get through the afternoon, a pretty wide girth of a snowfall. Watch the low offshore start to rotate itself out to sea and take energy away from the eastern shore, but it will take another 10 to 12 hours to clear the western shore, to clear the eastern shore of shower activity right along the coast, and then snow showers more inland. I do have some good news to end this discussion for you, though. Take a look. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, almost 40, 4 shy of 50, 51, 3 shy of 60. We're just going to get by these 2 alert days we've now issued Friday and Saturday. Back to you.
We deserve it.